Hello everyone, welcome back to Map Tomorrow. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, number system. आज हम सीखेंगे कि कंप्यूटर्स सिर्फ नंबर्स की लैंग्वेज को समझते हैं. We will discover binary, decimal and hexadecimal number systems with easy examples. So let's begin our exciting journey. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what a number system is, know the difference between binary, decimal, and hexadecimal. Convert simple numbers from one system to another. Learn how computers use numbers to store text, pictures, colors, and sounds. Lesson के end तक आप ये सब concepts आसानी से समझ जाएंगे. So let's get started. Let me ask you a question. When you press a key on your keyboard, or watch a video, or listen to your favorite song, आपके ख्याल में कंप्यूटर इन सब चीजों को कैसे समझता है? Is it magic? बिल्कुल नहीं. The computer changes everything into numbers. हर टेक्स्ट, पिक्चर, वीडियो और साउंड को कंप्यूटर नंबर्स की फॉर्म में स्टोर करता है. Let's find out how. What is a number system? A number system is a way to represent numbers using symbols and rules. Computers use number systems to store, process, and display information. There are three important number systems we'll learn today: binary, decimal, and hexadecimal. Remember, computer हर data numbers की form में होती है. Now let's look at the three types. First is binary. Binary uses only 0 and 1. यही कंप्यूटर की main language है. Second is decimal. Decimal uses digits from 0 to 9. यही system हम रोजाना life में use करते हैं. Third is hexadecimal. It uses 16 symbols, 0 to 9 and A to F. Programmers और web designers इस system को बहुत use करते हैं. Now let's compare them. Binary works in base 2 and uses only 0 and 1. Decimal works in base 10 and uses digits 0 to 9. Hexadecimal works in base 16 and uses 0 to 9 plus A to F. तीनों systems अलग है, लेकिन इन सब का मकसद numbers को represent करना है. So remember, binary equals base 2. Decimal equals base 10. Hexadecimal equals base 16. और यही तीन number systems computers में सबसे ज़्यादा use होते हैं. Now let's learn our first conversion. Binary number into decimal number. Don't worry, ये बहुत easy है. हम step by step सीखेंगे. Let's solve it together.
Now let's convert the decimal number 9 into binary. अब हम decimal number 9 को binary number में तब्दील करेंगे. Step 1. Divide 9 by 2. 9 divided by 2 equals 4 and the remainder is 1. Step 2. Now divide 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2 and the remainder is 0. Next, divide 2 by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1 and the remainder is 0. Final step. Now read the remainders from bottom to top. That gives us 1001. So, 9 in decimal equals 1001 in binary. Remember, the remainder can only be 0 or 1. If you get a remainder greater than 1, check your division because there is a mistake. Now let's convert the decimal number 12 into binary. Step 1. Divide 12 by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6 and the remainder is 0. Step 2. Now divide 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3 and the remainder is 0. Next, divide 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2 equals 1 and the remainder is 1. Final step. Read the remainders from bottom to top. The answer is 1100. Therefore, 12 in decimal equals 1100 in binary. Great! Now you know how to convert decimal numbers into binary using repeated division by 2. Try converting 15 and 20 by yourself.
Excellent. Now let's do the opposite. This time, we convert a decimal number into a binary number. अब हम decimal number को कंप्यूटर की लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे by following a few simple steps.
Now, let's convert the binary number 11011 into a decimal number. Step 1. Start from the rightmost digit. Assign place values as powers of 2. From right to left, the place values are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, and 2 power 4. Step 2. Multiply each binary digit by its corresponding place value. 1 times 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. 1 times 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. 0 times 2 to the power of 2 equals 0. 1 times 2 to the power of 1 equals 2. 1 times 2 to the power of 0 equals 1. Step 3. Now add all the values together. 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 equals 27. Final answer. Therefore, decimal number 11011 equals 27. Remember, binary numbers contain only two digits, 0 and 1. Now, let's convert the binary number 1110 into a decimal number. Step 1. Start from the rightmost digit. Assign place values as powers of 2. From right to left, the place values are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, and 2 power 3. Step 2. Multiply each binary digit by its corresponding place value. 1 times 2 power 3 equals 8. 1 times 2 power 2 equals 4. 1 times 2 power 1 equals 2. 0 times 2 power 0 equals 0. Step 3. Add all the values together. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 equals 14. Final answer. Therefore, binary number 1110 equals 14. Remember, a binary number can contain only 0 and 1. Add the values of all the digits to get the decimal number. उम्मीद है आप समझ गए होंगे. याद रखें, जितनी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस उतनी ज्यादा लर्निंग. So practice, practice and do more practice for better understanding.
प्रैक्टिस से ये कन्वर्जन बहुत आसान हो जाती है. So practice, practice and learn more. Now let's convert a decimal number into hexadecimal.
Now, let's convert the decimal number 69,610 into a hexadecimal number. Before we begin, remember that hexadecimal is a base 16 number system. It uses 16 symbols, the numbers 0 to 9 and the letters A to F. That's why we divide the decimal number by 16 repeatedly. Each division gives us one hexadecimal digit, starting from the least significant digit. Now let's begin with the steps. Step 1. Divide 69,610 by 16. 69,610 divided by 16 equals 4,350 with a remainder of 10. In hexadecimal, the value 10 is written as A. Now divide 4,350 by 16. 4,350 divided by 16 equals 271 with a remainder of 14. In hexadecimal, 14 is represented by the letter E. Step 3. Next, divide 271 by 16. 271 divided by 16 equals 16 with a remainder of 15. In hexadecimal, 15 is represented by the letter F. Step 4. Now divide 16 by 16. 16 divided by 16 equals 1 with a remainder of 0. Final step. Now read all the remainders from bottom to top. We get 1, 0, F, E, A. So, the hexadecimal number is 10FEA. Therefore, decimal number 69,610 equals 10FEA, known as hexadecimal system. Remember, divide the decimal number by 16 repeatedly. Write down each remainder. If the remainder is 10 to 15, replace it with A, B, C, D, E or F. For better understanding, practice yourself. क्योंकि जितनी ज़्यादा practice, उतनी ज़्यादा understanding.
प्रैक्टिस से ये कन्वर्जन बहुत आसान हो जाती है. So practice and learn more. Now let's learn another important conversion. Hexadecimal number into decimal number. Remember, hexadecimal uses 0 to 9 and A to F. We convert each symbol into its decimal value and calculate the final answer.
Now, let's convert the hexadecimal number C921 into a decimal number. Before we begin, remember that hexadecimal is a base 16 number system. It uses the digits 0 to 9 and the letters A to F, where A equals 10, B equals 11, C equals 12, D equals 13, E equals 14, and F equals 15. To convert a hexadecimal number into decimal, we multiply each hexadecimal digit by its place value, which is a power of 16, and then add all the results together. Now, let's begin the conversion. Step 1. Write the place values from right to left. The place values are 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, and 16 power 3. Step 2. Replace each hexadecimal digit with its decimal value. C equals 12, 9 equals 9, 2 equals 2, 1 equals 1. Step 3. Multiply each digit by its place value. 12 times 16 power 3, which equals 12 times 4096 equals 49,152. 9 times 16 power 2 equals 9 times 256 equals 2304. 2 times 16 power 1 equals 2 times 16 equals 32. 1 times 16 power 0 equals 1 times 1 equals 1. Step 4. Now add all the values together. 49,152 plus 2,304 plus 32 plus 1 equals 51,489. Final answer. Therefore, a hexadecimal number C921 equals 51,489. Remember, hexadecimal uses 16 symbols, 0 to 9 and A to F. Replace A to F with their decimal values before multiplying. Multiply each digit by 16 raised to its place value. Finally, add all the results to get the decimal number.
Now let's understand how computers work with data. Every computer performs three important tasks: store, process, and represent. First, the computer stores data. Whether it is text, images, colors, sounds, or numbers, everything is stored as binary numbers, zeros and ones. Next, the CPU processes the data. It performs calculations, follows instructions, and runs programs. Finally, the computer represents the processed data. It displays text, shows pictures, plays sounds, and presents information that we can easily understand. Simple words में कंप्यूटर पहले डेटा सेव करता है, फिर उस पर काम करता है, और फिर रिजल्ट हमें दिखाता है. Fantastic! Now it's your turn. Let's check how much you've learned today. Read each question carefully, choose the correct answer, and try solving them without looking at your notes. जल्दी मत करना, हर क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ना और खुद आंसर देने की कोशिश करना. Ready? Let's begin. Excellent work. Now let's practice number conversions. You have 4 types of questions. Binary to decimal, decimal to binary, hexadecimal to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal. Take your time, solve each question step by step, and check your understanding. Remember, practice जितनी ज़्यादा होगी, conversions उतनी ही easy होती जाएंगी. Let's quickly review today's lesson. Today we learned what a number system is. Types of number systems. Binary, decimal and hexadecimal conversions. How computers use binary code for text, images, colors, and sound. And finally, how computers store, process, and represent different types of data. Okay, students. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new. If this video helped you, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming educational videos. मिलते हैं अगली exciting computer science lesson में. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious. Allah Hafiz.